Hi guys, welcome here. So in this video I'm going to show you different tools you can use around Medibang app. So just click on new Canva and then you can edit the width and height if you want. So it depends on you if you're using Instagram posts, TikTok, or whatever you want to do, or any size you prefer. So you know what, let's just make this 1028. So I'm just going to quickly edit this to 1028 on each side. Then you click on create and here we are. So I'm just going to show you how we can use different tools on Medibang app. So we're quickly going to change to our pen. So if you want to do that, click on this eraser on top here. You can always change it. So we have different sets right here, but these are not the only brushes we have. But like they are the main brushes we have. We have pencil, pen, airbrush, watercolor, gloss, smudge, and eraser. So we're on the eraser. We're going to go to our brush now. So I'm going to show you all the different brushes we have right here. So you can always click on them. Though some are premium, but you don't really need the premium. You can always change it to whatever you want. So we're just going to quickly use the pencil here. So let me show you how you can adjust your pencil. So if you want to increase the size, you just just drag it down. Can you see how it's increasing and reducing? So if you want it large, you make it large. If you want it small, you make it small. And this is for the opacity. If you want it big or small, you always have to increase or decrease it. So let's just go with 100% opacity and size at 15. So let me give you a quick run on this. This is how it is at this point. So let's try decreasing our opacity. Maybe you see the difference. So this is what it does when you have a lower opacity in the pencils. So let's just go back and undo this. So in order to undo this, just check your left hand side, and you see an arrow facing your left. So you just click on it. If you want to redo it, you click on the button facing your right, and that's how you do it. Then here we have this is to like quickly change from our correction to our pencil. That's our brush, so you can easily change it. If you use correction, you can like easily erase something like very small here. Or you also use this set here, which shows this 100% opacity, and that you can always use this by your left hand side to always increase or decrease that. But I always prefer using the top of our menu to always adjust settings of our brushes. So it all depends on you. Then we also have what we call the picker or the eyedropper icon here. We always use it to change colors. If you want to change your color from different angles to one another, you always use that to change it to so what you're going to do when you're using the eyedropper, always, if you can see this small circle here, it's indicating the color which it's going to pick. So if I happen to pick on this red right here, it's going to be the pencil I'll be using. That will be the color I'll be using. So okay, sorry, let's try to increase this opacity a bit so we can see clearly. Alright, so let's select our eyedropper icon. So the eyedropper icon, once it's blue now, we have this circle hovering around. So any color which you pick is what it's going to be active with. So let's pick on this red here, this very big red. So as you can see, now that's the color it's going to pick for us. So let's try to change this color and write something and then see. So we have this color here, we have this color here, and we have this color here. So I'm going to stop on red. So let's try to change this color to, as you can see, we're having red color right now. So let's try to change this color to let's say this mint green or whatever color you call it. So yeah, we can just, can you see it came out already? So we're going to select on that and boom. So these are our new color. So it's always easy to like pick our color. Maybe if you have a reference picture you're using and you don't want to go through the stress of searching for the color, you can always use your eyedropper to use it. Then here, this icon right here is if you want to save your image, you click on. You can also use this like if you want to save it on cloud or save. So then this we have like it helps you reset your work. If you want to reposition it, you always use this. Or if you want to adjust the perspective, if you want it like in a different bent shape kind of or something, you can always use these tools for it. Or use the mesh. You can increase your mesh to different angles. So can you see that? So that's what it does for you. So anything maybe you want to slightly bend, or you find out you have a mistake but it's just like an angle mistake kind of, you can always, or you just intentionally want to like toggle around your work, you can always use these tools for it. So then coming down here, you can also see some of these icons here. You can like copy your work, paste, and you can just go through all this quickly, and you can select your tools, invert different items you can do with it, different things you can do right here. Then here you can like rotate your work left or you rotate it right, flip it, however you choose to do it. So here we also have our ruler. So we have different rulers. Like if you want to make your work very straight, you don't have to go through the stress of trying to see what works well, and you can just use your ruler or use a curve line here. Like you can just select different points at which you want to use your lines, and once you've done that, you just start to select it and draw on it. So you can always off that if you don't want it around, and you can always use this speed line, so you can just like draw in between them. So you just need to like mess around with them, and you can use this ellipse to like draw a cycle. Let me see that. Let me try and change the colors. So have so much things going on here. So can you see that? And if you want it to have like a concrete varnish, can you see? So you can always like arrange them in very smaller bits or something. So easy to work with. Depends on how you want to use it. Then here's our color palette. I think we're very familiar with this one. So you can just use this to easily shuffle around your color palette. And anytime you want to change your color palette, your colors, you can just quickly use this to change your colors. So I think that's what that. So see you guys. Thank you.